In the previous video, we completed malignant catarrhal fever, which is viral disease of cattle, which is caused by the herpes virus. Now, in this video, we will discuss regarding another viral disease, that is blue tongue, which is mostly prevalent in sheep and which is an arthropod-borne disease, which is transmitted by the quillicide mosquito, which transmits the RB virus, belongs to the family Rivoviridae, and it is also called as catarrhal fever of sheep and sore muzzle of sheep. It is an acute infectious disease which is characterized by fever, inflammation and ulceration of buccal mucosa and tongue, edema of lungs and dependent parts. Blue tongue is an arthropod-borne disease which is caused by the RB virus, which belongs to the family Rivoviridae. First time this disease was recognized in South Africa. It is now reported worldwide in tropical, subtropical and temperate climates. Blue tongue is endemic in India, which means the disease is prevalent in a particular geographical area with expected frequency. The recent incidence of blue tongue in sheep, cattle and buffalo has increased manifold in our country. Most of the animal species are highly susceptible, which include goat, cattle, deer are also susceptible to the infection, majorly sheep and cattle. Now let us come to the transmission of the disease. The virus gets transmitted from one host to other host by the biting of the insect of the genus Culicidus. The Culicidus mosquito contain the RB virus, and by the biting of this mosquito leading to the transmission of the virus. It has been transmitted by semen from an infected bull to the cows. Pathogens involved. The virus affect the blood vessels, leading to the hyperemia, edema and hemorrhage. Virus take entry into the host, thereby the initial replication occur in the hemopoietic cells, leading to the viremia, then subsequent replication in the endothelial cells of the blood vessels, leading to the swelling in the endothelial cells that leads to the degeneration and necrosis of the endothelial cells. Then again it leads to the edema and hemorrhage, leading to the formation of thrombosis and infractions, which affecting the hemopoietic tissue, ultimately leading to anemia and leukopenia results. Clinically, the affected sheep shows high fever with reddening of the nasal and oral mucosa, dyspnea and salivation, watery discharge from the nostrils, mucus dry and forms the crusts. Tongue appears bluish or cyanotic and swollen. Therefore, the term given to this disease is blue tongue. Now, let us come to the gross lesions. Edema of lips, nose, ear and intermandibular space, edema and cyanosis of the tongue. Therefore, the disease is called as blue tongue. Later, petechial hemorrhages appears on the oral and nasal mucosa. Gangrene also occurs when fever subsides, flushing of feet, leading to the warm and reddened feet. Coronate region shows hemorrhage at the junction of skin and hoof, ultimately leading to the lameness. Epithelium of the hoofs shed, leaving excoriation and bleeding points. Fever subsides, then pain occur around the coronary band of the feet and leading to the lameness. The virus spread through respiratory and digestive tract, leading to the pneumonia along with the GIT related problems, which include gastroenteritis occurs, then which leads to the emaciation and muscular weakness. Hemorrhages may be found on the mucosa of abomasum and intestine, and also in some cases hemorrhage may also seen in myocardium. Serosanguineous fluid in the pericardial sac, liver become patty change, spleen congested and swollen. Death may be due to pneumonia because of secondary bacterial infection. Pathognomic lesions in the blue tongue, that is hemorrhages at the base of pulmonary artery and aorta. This is the important point from the examination. When it comes to the microscopic lesions, loss of striations and hyalinization of the musculature will be seen. Hemorrhages, edema and necrosis are seen in the affected organs. And the blue tongue can be diagnosed by using the symptoms like the blue tongue, coronate hemorrhages, and the pathognomic lesions like the hemorrhages at the base of pulmonary artery and aorta. The disease can also be diagnosed by using egg inoculation and inoculation into lambs for the virus isolation and characterization. Virus neutralization test can also be used to detect the virus for the blue tongue disease. This is how we can diagnose the blue tongue disease. Till now, we completed FMD, rinderpest, malignant catarrhal fever, and blue tongue. In next video, we will discuss regarding another viral disease, that is bovine viral diarrhea. Shortly, it is also called as BVD, and mucosal disease, that is MD. Thank you.